Hey, we're standing here at the Pink Shell Resort. Mike is the president of Golden Marine Systems, and they redid this entire marina after Hurricane Ian. How soon did they call you to fix this?
I actually got a call from the owners of this resort, I would say within 10 days of the storm. Well, they wanted us to get it replaced as quickly as possible. There was nothing really left. There maybe a gangway was in the water, but everything else had floated away and was somewhere up in the mangroves in pieces.
Your dock system is like modular. You can move it around and
That's
move
correct.
the marina around. Show us how that works down here.
Well, the dock system comes in sections. Each section is bolted together with a block system, a urethane block system. And essentially, you float a section into the other section and bolt it together. It goes together with 4 bolts. It's a really easy system to put together.
Cool. So like each one of these finger piers here, like number 17 that we're looking at, that could be moved anywhere, make that slip bigger, smaller.
That's
put
correct.
More slips in?
That's correct. This is the Golden Marine Systems 850 series single track system, and it has tracks not only on the top but on the side of the extrusion, and it allows for adjustability of the finger pier. If you wanted to move it for a catamaran, move it over, no problem. It's a matter of, again, 4 bolts. So the adjustability of the system is just endless, including the cleats. The cleats can be moved up and down the track to allow the boater to have it where he conveniently would like it. Other items like accessories like handrails you see here can be bolted into the track system. So it's very versatile.
That's cool. And then that goes all the way down. What about the electric? Was there anything special about the electric?
Well, we do have a nice feature here we call troughs. Utility troughs with an aluminum cover. Now, the benefits of this are two. When the utility providers are installing it, the covers are off and they can just roll right on down with all their utilities and put it in very easily, as opposed to fishing it through any kind of conduit or between decking. And then once it's done, they simply put the covers on top. If there's ever a need to add or repair, it's simply take off the covers and do your work and put them back on. Yeah.
So how long did it take to complete this process?
It took about 12 months to complete it. Between the installation, some challenges with the piles, and then of course the utilities.
Okay. And 12 months they're back up and running. And what about competitive properties in the area?
Oh, honestly, we were very blessed to pretty much get every marina that was needing replacement. Golden had 5 completed as of the beginning of this year, and there's a few more that we're looking at now to hopefully finish within the next few years.
Okay, and so does this technology that you have here, the track system and everything, would that translate over to consumer, or is it like just for like commercial marinas and stuff?
Oh no, it can be used in residential applications for sure, yeah. But very popular with commercial marinas.
I can see why.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Good job with this. This is amazing. Back up and running. Come to the Pink Shell. You can check it out for yourself. This is an incredible place to fish, an incredible place to visit, and this is all Golden's work right here.